Hi, I'm Theo and I'm here with Milwaukee. Today we're looking at the best tools and techniques for cable trunking installation. From cutting and shaping to fastening, we'll answer some of the most frequently asked questions tradespeople have about trunking installs and show how Milwaukee's cordless tools deliver precision, speed and safety that every job site demands. A common issue when installing trunking supports is cutting threaded rod cleanly. So how can you cut threaded rod without damaging the threads? The M18 brushless threaded rod cutter solves this perfectly. Its precise alignment system and balanced centered grip design keep the dies perfectly straight, ensuring every cut is clean and the thread remains untouched. It's easy to handle overhead and can cut pieces as short as 38mm, making it ideal for tight installations. Powered by an M18 2Ah lithium battery, it delivers up to 300 cuts per charge on M6, 8, 10 and 12 mild steel or M6, 8 and 10 on stainless steel threaded rod. The rotating dies cover all common sizes and the automatic die opening after each cut speeds up repetitive overhead work. When cutting steel trunking, rough edges can slow installation and risk cable damage. So how do you get cold, clean, burr-free edges when cutting steel trunking? Milwaukee's M18 Fuel 57mm metal circular saw is engineered specifically for this task. Its dry cutting technology delivers fast, cold, burr-free results on steel trunking, meaning you can install immediately without extra deburring. The lightweight design and dual action trigger make it comfortable for all-day use, while tool-free depth adjustment lets you switch easily between shallow and full-depth cuts up to 57mm. It includes an integrated rafter hook for hanging between uses and onboard Allen key storage, so you're never searching for a tool's mid-job. Supplied with a 150mm 34-tooth metal cutting blade, the saw combines power, precision and portability. Clean cable entries are key to a professional trunking install. So what's the best way to keep neat cable entry holes in metal trunking? Once the pilot holes are drilled, Milwaukee's M12 Fuel 1.6mm nibbler makes light work of cutting and shaping. It's the lightest cordless nibbler in its class at just 1.6 kilograms with a 6Ah battery. Yet it cuts 1.6mm mild steel, 1.2mm stainless and 2.1mm aluminium with ease. The 5-speed dial gives precise control across different materials, while the auto control start activates the motor automatically when the cut begins. You can adjust the cutting direction in 90-degree steps, and the die holder and punch can be swapped without tools. A chip collection bag keeps the workspace tidy, and the built-in LED lighting ensures clear visibility at all times. Fastening trunking to supports can be awkward, especially when working overhead. So what's the fastest way to fasten nuts on threaded rod overhead? Milwaukee's M12 Fuel Insider pass-through ratchet makes it simple. Delivering up to 81 Nm of torque and 350 RPM, it combines power and speed for efficient fastening in confined spaces. Its low-profile head and extended neck make it ideal for working between trunking sections and above head height. The pass-through socket system lets the bolt thread pass straight through the ratchet, so you can tighten nuts on bolts of any length. The tool is supplied with sockets from 8 to 19 and 21mm, plus a 1/4 and 3/8 inch anvil adapters, covering a full range of fixing applications. A variable speed trigger gives precise control for every fastening job. With the right tools, trunking installation becomes faster, safer and more accurate. Milwaukee's cordless range from cutting to fastening helps professionals deliver precision and efficiency on every job. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe for more trade-focused videos from Milwaukee.